Pick a single niche. The next thing you got to do is capture that entire niche. For all of you that have picked those niches, do you have the data on that industry? Have you called a email broker? Have you talked to somebody that's going to scrape that entire industry for you? Have you signed up for softwares that's going to give you name, phone number, email of that industry? Now, why is that important? You have independent variables, you have dependent variables. The size of the industry and who's in it almost always won't change. So what that means is it's good to just capture the data. You can run it on custom audiences, running ads for your guys. You can have your cold emails being sent out to that same list. You can have LinkedIn prospecting happening and just capture that entire industry. It shouldn't cost you more than $500 to do that, by the way. You can get on Fiverr and find somebody that'll simply just scrape that industry for you.
If you want to learn more, click the link below to watch the whole video.